In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set birthday reminders on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So this trick is going to be really helpful for you if you do not remember your friend's or family's birthday. So let's just start. First step, just go to your contacts and select the contact of the person that you want to set the birthday reminder of. After you do that, just go to the contact and tap on edit. After you tap on edit, just scroll down on the edit page, and after you scroll down for a bit, you will see add birthday option. Tap on add birthday and just select the date. Now let's say it's February 1st and let's say it's 2000, and after you've hit done, the birthday has been set. Now what you'll need to do is go to your calendar, and after you're on the calendars app, tap on calendars on the bottom center, and after you do that, you will see the other section and just select the birthdays. After you do that, hit on done and the reminders has been set. Now you can check that by going to the date, and there you can see on the 2nd of February there is a birthday. So that is how you set a reminder of birthday on your iPhone. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.